Hoto Camping Light, it's a versatile lighting solution designed specifically for camping enthusiasts. With its 3 modes, camping light, ambient light, and flashlight, it provides adaptable illumination for various situations. The magnetic detachable lampshade adds convenience and allows for easy installation and removal. The hidden handle design ensures portability and easy carrying, making it a practical choice for camping trips. The IPX6 water resistance rating ensures durability and reliability even in wet conditions. With a measured output of 80 lumens, it offers ample brightness for your outdoor activities. The Hoto Camping Light is a reliable companion that combines functionality, convenience, and durability to enhance your camping experience. Before heading to the wilderness, prepare yourself with the VSSL camp supplies. Crafted with the intrepid adventurer in mind, this extraordinary tool consolidates essential gear and supplies into a single, rugged, and waterproof cylinder. Unlock its secrets to reveal meticulously organized compartments housing the key to survival, fire starters, fishing gear, first aid essentials, trail markers, and more. Constructed from durable aluminum and shielded against the elements, this versatile tool ensures your supplies remain intact when it matters most. The integrated LED flashlight pierces the darkness, illuminating your path to safety. Whether you face the wilderness alone or with fellow survivalists, the VSSL Camp Supplies stands as an indispensable companion, equipping you with the tools and confidence needed to conquer any survival scenario that dares to cross your path. This Takamo H2 rechargeable Tesla arc lighter combines modern technology with essential features. With its dual-head flameless Tesla torch, this weatherproof lighter instantly creates a 2,000-degree Tesla arc flame, perfect for lighting campfires, fireworks, or ceiling paracord in survival situations. It also incorporates a bright, 3-mode emergency flashlight for reliable illumination, ensuring you never find yourself without light when you need it most. Designed with safety in mind, it includes a protective cap and lock, auto shutoff, and protection circuits to prevent damage. Its portable, lightweight, and windproof design, combined with its high-visibility orange color and Ranger bead lanyard, make it an indispensable tool for daily indoor and outdoor use, capable of handling various survival tasks such as fire lighting, sterilization, and more. Introducing the Bone Daddy Knife and Axe, a versatile tool designed to meet your needs in the toughest of environments. The axis, the heart of this versatile tool, serves multiple purposes crucial for survival. Need to gather kindling or prepare a meal? It transforms into a reliable knife, ensuring you have the means to handle food and start fires. When it's time to clear a campsite or build a shelter, this knife seamlessly transitions into a camp axe, providing the power and precision necessary for these tasks. And when faced with felling giants or splitting logs, the Bone Daddy Knife and Axe unleashes its full potential as a formidable full-size axe. With its combination of strength, versatility, and durability, it is the ultimate survival companion, ready to conquer any challenge that comes your way in the great outdoors. Unveiling the Serotonin Burning Camping Stove, a radiant masterpiece crafted to ignite your survival spirit and light up your outdoor escapades. This ultra-compact titanium marvel dances with the elements, embracing feather lightness and remarkable compactness while effortlessly harmonizing with any fuel, even the mystical biofuel that nature whispers to you in the wild. Evoking an eco-conscious symphony, this stove orchestrates a mesmerizing combustion efficiency, gracefully reducing smoke and breathing life into vibrant flames that yield extraordinary heat with sublime ease and diminished risk. Its ingenious design, akin to an artful puzzle, allows seamless assembly and disassembly, transforming into a portable marvel that finds solace in the heart of your backpack. The Key Kit is a cutting-edge outdoor survival system that equips you to conquer any adventure that comes your way. With its innovative features and design, the Key Kit ensures you are fully prepared for every excursion. The kit comes in 2 new sizes, allowing you to choose the perfect fit for your specific needs and the length of your journey. It provides efficient organization for your essential gear, ensuring quick and easy access when time is of the essence. With this kit, you can pack precisely what you need, eliminating unnecessary bulk and weight. The compact and durable case offers both portability and protection, safeguarding your gear in even the harshest environments. Whether you're venturing into the wilderness or preparing for any survival situation, the VSSL First Aid Mini is a reliable and compact companion that guarantees your essential medical needs are covered. Weighing less than a pound and measuring about 6 inches tall, it can be conveniently stored or carried anywhere you go. This compact kit contains over 35 first aid supplies, including disposable thermometers, antiseptic wipes, bandages, and more, all neatly organized in durable, reusable aluminum tins. Made with military-grade aluminum, the First Aid Mini is waterproof, shatterproof, and airtight, ensuring the safety and readiness of your medical supplies. With labeled contents and easily refillable tins, staying prepared for emergencies is intuitive and hassle-free. The EDC Nomad Survival Multi-Tool takes its name from the resilient and resourceful nomadic lifestyle, where adaptability and survival were paramount. Drawing inspiration from these principles, this multi-tool is expertly designed to cater to the needs of contemporary individuals. Built with durability and functionality in mind, this compact and portable tool equips you to navigate various situations with ease. From opening packages to tightening screws, cutting ropes, or even starting a fire, the Nomad Multi-Tool is a versatile companion for your everyday carry. Embodying the spirit of adaptability and preparedness, the Nomad empowers you to overcome challenges and thrive in an ever-changing world. TIANDLIFE Alcohol Burner Spirit. Camp Stove is a survival-centric essential crafted from high-quality titanium, making it ultralight, durable, and resistant to rust, acid, and alkali corrosion. Its foldable stand design accommodates various cookware options, perfect for cooking meals on the go. With compact dimensions of 2.2 inches and weighing only 45 grams, this pocket-sized stove is easily portable in your backpack. It efficiently burns alcohol fuel with a capacity of 80 to 90 milliliters and offers a ton of heat. The cleverly designed combustion holes enhance efficiency, shortening cooking times and allowing you to boil 1,000 milliliters of water in minutes. When survival is paramount, you can rely on the Surviveware Stormproof matches to ignite your fire, even in the harshest conditions. These matches are truly weatherproof, tested to withstand storms and wind. Whether it's rain or gusty winds, these matches deliver when you need them most. Encased in a heavy-duty ABS waterproof container, they remain protected, nearly indestructible, and even float, ensuring your strikers are safe from water damage. With a reliable striker strip on the inside, your matches always have a dry surface to ignite. An essential item for camping, fishing, or emergency kits, these military-grade fire starters eliminate the need for primitive fire starting methods. Trust in their hardy striker strips and weatherproofed wooden shafts for peace of mind during your hunting or prepping endeavors. This is the Camila Carnivore X machete. It's an ultimate survival companion for all your outdoor adventures. This versatile tool is crafted to be your go-to machete for hunting, camping, hiking, and exploration. It excels in multiple functions, allowing you to cut, dig, saw, chisel, and gut with ease, adapting to any outdoor challenge. The premium blade, made from titanium-bonded 420 stainless steel, offers exceptional strength, staying sharper for longer periods. The textured handle provides a secure grip, instilling confidence during use. With its rugged, ballistic nylon sheath, your machete is protected against debris and can be conveniently carried with the belt loop. It's your trusted tool in the wild. Lockheart Tactical Status is a compact and versatile device that provides essential survival functionality. With its innovative design, the Status serves as an all-in-one solution for various emergency situations. It can be automatically deployed as a trip alarm or manually activated when needed. Its small size allows for easy portability and quick deployment, fitting seamlessly into small pockets. This little device features dual integrated mole attachment points, enabling convenient attachment to gear or clothing. Its 1-inch webbing allows for effortless attachment to trees or posts without the need for screws, while additional mounting holes provide flexibility for attaching it with a paracord or screws. Whether firing emergency flares or bear bangers, the Lockheart Tactical Status is a reliable companion for survival scenarios. There you have it. our top picks for the best camping gadgets to enhance your outdoor adventure. Have a favorite camping gadget we didn't mention? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more.